In the heart of a relentless dry season, I found myself with just a single drop of water left. A parrot, weary and thirsty, landed beside me, its eyes pleading. Without a second thought, I offered my last drop to the parrot. In gratitude, the parrot took flight, urging me to follow. It led me to an underground spring, hidden from the world. The village rejoiced, celebrating the newfound water source. My act of kindness had brought life back to our land. The parrot's guidance was a gift beyond measure. Together, we turned scarcity into abundance. Join us in celebrating the power of generosity and courage.